Hi everyone, welcome to American Pinay, and in this episode we are going to bake some chicken using our new Bayou Classic Cast Iron Oval Fryer. So first, we trace the cast iron using a chalk to make sure we know how far the concrete blocks would be from each other. And we also use that to estimate how many charcoal we are going to be using under and on top of the lid. So I put 16 pieces of charcoals under and 12 on top. I had to make another batch of charcoal as we continue to cook our chicken. And now time to check our chicken.